Hey there, it's reveal day at Elle Studio, so I'd like to give you a close-up look at the 2018 October kit. So the kit comes packaged just like this, everything all neat and tidy. First, let's check out the die cuts. There's always one die cut sheet on the top and another at the back. Lots of really cute shapes this month, stars, half circles. I love the sweater weather. I love on this autumn day, 1 in a billion. I just need to get autumn here in Texas is what I need to use this, but don't worry, I found lots and lots of ways to use this kit. There's so many things to be thankful for, 4x6. I love that teal, and then the everyday moments tag. Those are great tags for pocket pages or your layouts. These are the 3x4 tags. I love that shipping tag one, and I love the black and white plaid. These leaves are so fun, and you'll see those on the stamp this month. Cool speech bubbles. This one's really fun with all the patterns. Love this tradition. Book report. My favorite season has arrived. Here's another book one, Lost in a Good Book. A summary of the week. A really cool orange pattern. This one's really nice. Movie time, which you'll see more of those in a little bit. I love the moon and stars, numbers, and hearts. These are the October labels. They coordinate with all of the colors in the kit this month. Then we have the movie time journaling tags. So you can get these separately. If you are a movie fan and you go to a lot of movies and you want to document that, then you can get those separately and have those on hand. These are the autumn shipping labels, and they're full of awesome patterns and colors that coordinate with the kit. They'd also be great for little treat bags for Halloween parties. And all of these here come in one pack. So lots of different fun sizes. Okay, this month we also have these amazing coffee phrase stickers. If you guys like to drink as much coffee as I do, you're going to need these in your stash for sure. And to go along with those, we have this awesome little pack of goodies. So this is the coffee journaling tags and wood veneer set. In it, you get labels, you get journaling tags, and you get wood veneer all together in one bundle. Look at how fun these journaling tags are. So there's 4 journaling tags, a sheet of labels, and then these lovely little wood veneers. Love that one. So I can definitely see myself using these since I drink a lot of coffee around here. Next up, this is so exciting. We have the sweater weather 6" by 6" paper stack. And now remember, guys, these Elle Studio ones don't have the glue on the top, so you don't have to worry about them ripping. They come loose. And look at all the fun patterns here. I love the leaf pattern. I love the black and white stars and moons. And this teal is like gorgeous, as is the blue. And I love the patterns on there. A nice green pattern, a more neutral white, the yellow with the crosses. And then look how fun this is. You could totally use that as is, or you could cut those labels apart. This is the thankful stamp, and my favorite parts are at the bottom with those patterns. This month documented, and then you have the leaves, which you could make your own pattern paper with those leaves. It's such a fun stamp, and I used it a lot this month. These are the Jane alphabet stickers in black, so we're just adding another color to the Jane. The autumn fun stickers, you have different fonts, circles. They're really great. And then this was my special request for Ellie, is the puffy stars and dot stickers. I wanted more of the dots like in the noteworthy puffy stickers, so she did a whole sheet for me. This is the Home Sweet Home wood veneer, which is so sweet. I love it. Trick or Treat wood veneer. These are the Halloween wood veneers. How fun is that? And I love that little cute kitty and the tree jack-o'-lantern bag. Really awesome set. So this is the kit this month. Be sure to grab it while supplies last. These kits are selling out faster and faster each month, guys, and October is usually a really popular month with these beautiful autumn colors. And with the kit, you can also purchase the exclusive add-ons, lots of awesome stickers, wood veneer, puffy stickers, the new 6" by 6" stack. So there's so much here to document your autumn memories. I know you guys are going to love these products. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out the affiliate links in my video notes to purchase. And thanks so much for your support, and happy creating!